My quadcopter is cool! Come here!
Whoa! Awesome truck. First of all, that is a Bruder Mack Flatbed. And what do you got on the back?
Oh my gosh!
Oh, it went on the roof. Cut!
Hey guys, welcome back to Go Shucks Woo!
What are you doing today, Kane?
We're playing.
Yeah, we're playing in the dirt, aren't we? On a nice November day.
Yeah, we have dump truck and steamroller and gas truck. I don't know what this is called.
So, yeah, we got a road roller, we got a garbage truck, we got a dump truck, and we got a telehandler. Kane, why don't you load some dirt up in the telehandler, and then we'll dump some dirt in the dump truck.
Yeah.
We're gonna watch you work that thing.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yep.
There you go. Just turn the knob. Can you get it? Let me help you out here. See? It raises up the bucket. There we go. Look at all that awesome dirt. And then we're gonna drive this over here to the dump truck.
Can you drive it on the dirt?
Yeah.
Like a steamroller.
Turn that lever. There you go. And that raises up the bucket. Good. You think that's high enough?
Yeah.
I'll pull the dump truck back. Beep 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 beep. There you go. And then that knob right there empties the dirt.
Empty the dirt.
There you go.
PJ Masks. Yeah.
We did it.
Yeah.
Driving off the dump truck. That telehandler is a very useful truck, isn't it, Kane?
Yeah. Look, I'm doing something fun. Oh.
There goes the telehandler. All right, we'll bring in the road roller. We need to smooth out that dirt, Kane. Kane, you like playing in the dirt?
Yeah.
What are you doing now?
We're steaming the road roller.
He's smoothing out the dirt.
I got a good idea. Let's bring out the truck. Ready?
Whoa! Awesome truck. First of all, that is a Bruder Mack Flatbed. Yeah. And what do you got on the back?
I see something in there. Look at the back right here. Some of these are like broken. This one's
yeah. What are those things for?
like the backup. Oh yeah, the red lights.
Ah, the red lights.
Yeah.
Awesome truck. Well, let's open that box.
Yeah.
Let's put it right here.
Let's see what.
Go ahead, Kane. Open it up. Let's see what we got.
Whoa!
Whoa! Let's take it out of the box.
Yeah.
Open it up.
No.
That's just some paper. Let's put it right here so we can see what you got.
Yeah.
Whoa! It says EACHINE E0101 one press automatic return.
Whoa!
Wow, that's even a better picture, isn't it?
Yeah.
Awesome, man.
Yeah.
It's a drone. All right, well there we go. Let's get inside of there, Kane. Can you pull that out?
Yeah. Yes.
There you go. Good job.
Wow.
Wow.
So tiny.
It's a quadcopter.
Yeah. Wait. Look right here.
What is that?
It's like some head.
Oh, that's like the part where you ride in. Your little guy rides inside. That's the cockpit right in there.
Yeah.
Cool.
Let's open it up.
Let's do it. Well, look, Kane, so in the box came this right here, and it looks like those are the blades. And then you've got a USB that you must plug in to charge it.
Yeah, like a charger right here.
Yeah.
Let's see the back right.
And let's see what the other box is.
A remote control.
A remote control.
Yeah.
And then we got some instructions in Italian, German,
I can kick it.
and English.
Yep.
All right, well, we got it out of the box. And we got some batteries in it, and there it is.
Yeah.
So first thing we're gonna do, Kane, is turn on the controller.
Wow. Look at.
All right, see the light flashing on the controller?
Yep.
The next thing we need to do is plug this in right here.
Yeah.
All right, there you go. We got it all plugged in and charged up. Do you see the lights flashing?
Yep.
So this is a quadcopter, and we're gonna see what is up. I love those red and black colors. What do you think, Kane?
I like red and black.
Okay, sit back a little bit, because I think it's gonna fly straight up, and we don't want it to hurt you. Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Whoa, look at that. Whoa, it's trying to fly right in my camera.
That's very cool.
All right, let's try it again. That one flew right into the camera.
Yeah, that was cool.
Whoa. Ah, all right. You're supposed to do this on a flat surface. Bring it over here very carefully because it is kind of fragile, and set it down right there. There you go. Put it right here. Here's a nice flat spot. Okay, let's try it again. Yes. It's hard to do this and hold the camera. So I've got the controller here, and I'm pressing up on the left joystick.
Oh my gosh. Oh.
Look at that. And it does. Oh, you got to be careful because it might fly on the roof. All right, go get it, Kane. Just don't step on it, whatever you do. So bring it over here. So it shows 5 minutes of time before it needs to be charged again. Yeah. So you better play fast. All right. Here's the controller. And these also work and go in different directions, but because I'm holding the camera.
Oh my God!
Whoa, look at all that dirt.
Look, it's flying dirt out.
It is pushing dirt out. Isn't that cool?
Wow.
And then once it goes up, you got to kind of let down. Oh my God. All right, I'm going to let Kane do it. Just, set it down flat on the ground. There you go. All right, well, Kane's got the controller. Now, this is actually for 14 years old and older, so I don't know.
These can actually spin.
Yeah, they do. Those are the propellers. I don't know how this is going to work with a... How old are you, Kane? 5?
Yeah.
All right.
And Tucker is 4 and Tyra's 5.
Yeah, our little neighbors across the street are, what, 4 and 7?
No, 5, 6, and 7.
Oh, well, they're going to love this. All right, let me get one last shot of it up close. We may not see it again. All right, Kane, go ahead, but do it very carefully. Otherwise, it'll get caught up in the tree. There you go. Yeah.
How about this?
Yeah, that's perfect. Yeah. Good idea. All right, there's the... Woo!
Oh, my God. Should I drop it down, does it?
Bring it over here again. That's a great spot. All right, go ahead. There he goes. Whoa!
Oh, my God!
You like that?
Yeah!
That is so cool. Yeah, it's...
Airplane!
An airplane! Whoa! I bet that quadcopter would fly up as high as that airplane, right?
Yeah.
Alright, let's do it again.
Yeah. Stand back.
Stand by, world.
Oh my gosh!
Oh, it went on the roof. Cut! So look at all these buttons on here. We haven't even pushed all the buttons because we just had having fun going up and down. Isn't that cool? That is awesome. All right, let's try it again.
Whoa. Oh my gosh. Look at way fly.
There we go. So it just doesn't matter.
Whoa. Okay. That's pretty good. Oh my gosh.
Awesome. Here, you do it.
Okay.
So we got 5 minutes of flight time. We don't know when that's going to be over, but here we go. Woo! Whoa! Ah!
Oh my gosh!
That's probably not great for it to bump in to things, but it sure is fun to fly. This part right here is the battery, and this is what you charge with your USB that comes with it. So I'm going to tuck that back in there. He loves it. You like that, Kane?
Yeah, quadcopters are cool because also we have like a gray one who has like 4 stuff on it, and it has like a Nerf board.
Yeah.
Shots out.
Oh, that'd be cool. The other thing this quadcopter will do, Kane, is it'll do like rolling over, like 360s and rollovers and things like that. Some really advanced.
Some numbers right here.
Some really advanced moves, but we need to figure out how to fly it. Just basic first, as you can tell. Just going up and down is fun.
Oh my God.
And it's probably good to have it in the grass because it's a softer landing. See if you can maintain it up in the air.
Yeah.
So go up. Woo! Whoops! Went back on the roof. And cut! So we got it on the launching pad, and we're gonna send it out to go get our lunch, right?
Yeah.
What do you want to get? Pizza?
I'm gonna get
corn dog?
I'm gonna get corn dog and waffles.
Yum! We're gonna send this quadcopter out to get us some corn dogs and waffles, and then we gotta get back to work on our construction site because it's getting late.
Yeah.
You wanna see if you can fly it one more time?
Yeah.
All right. Here he goes. Whoa! Ah. That is awesome. Good job, Kane. You're gonna have lots of fun with that, aren't you? You can read all about this quadcopter in the comments below if you want to get your own quadcopter.
We need to get some more so we can get a yacht and try them out.
Oh, you think we should get one for Jackson?
Yeah. How about dinosaur quadcopter?
Oh, that'd be so cool.
Yeah.
Love it.
How about it roars on them and flies around?
All right, I'm gonna get you flying it one more time, then we're gonna say goodbye.
Try that.
Whoa! And if you fly it close to your house, we recommend getting a broom so you can get it off your roof.
My quadcopter is cool!
Jackson, you want to try it out?
Sure.
Okay, here we go. Whoa!
Oh my god! This is fun. I like this. Once you look at the back, that's blue and red. Actually, that's blue and red. I like this. Okay. I'll keep on flipping. Oh! Stop.
There you go.
Oh gosh.
Good.
Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe and see you next video. Bye!
Bye, guys.